Hello there and welcome to this lesson. This is all about area, volume, money and mass. So our first question is based on perimeter. So which of these rectangles have the same perimeter? So perimeter of a rectangle is the total length of all the sides of the rectangle. We can find the perimeter by adding all four sides of the rectangle. So first of all, if we know that this particular side is 6 in measurement, that means the side on the right will also be 6. If the top side is 10, that means the bottom side will also be 10. And then we just add the four sides together. If we were to add the four sides together, so 10 add 10 is 20, 20 add 6 is 26, and 26 add 6 is going to be 32. So that's our perimeter. Let's say if it's meters, and that will be 32 meters all the way around this particular rectangle. So the first question states, which of these rectangles have the same perimeter? So let's work this out. Let's work out these rectangles one by one, and then we can determine what the perimeter is going to be. So in this case, 6 on the left, so 6 centimeters on the right, which means the top will be 5 centimeters as well. If you were to add these measurements up all together, 6 add 6 is 12, 12 add 5 and 5, so 12 add 10 basically, is going to give us 22 centimeters altogether. Here we've got 8 at the bottom and 4 on the side as well. So 8 add 8 is 16, 16 add 4 is 20, 20 add 4 is 24 centimeters. Here we've got 10 on the right and 3 at the top. If you were to add this up in terms of perimeter, we have 26 centimeters as a perimeter. And let's just have a look at the last two. So we've got 9 at the bottom and 2 on the side. So 9 add 9 is 18, 18 add 2 is 20, and then we've got 22 centimeters here as well. And the last one, 8 at the bottom, 2 on the side, 8 add 8 is 16, 16 add 2 is 18, 18 add 2 is 20, 20 centimeters there. So which rectangles have the same perimeter? So from what I can see so far, it's option A and option B, because both of them are actually 22 centimeters perimeter for both rectangles, whereas the other three rectangles are 24, 26, and 20, which are quite different in terms of measurement and length. That's how you work out perimeter. But remember, in this exercise, you've got various other questions to do as well. So please do try your best, and we'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.